2017 Ford Super Duty offers trailer reverse guidance. The 2017 Super Duty's optional trailer reverse guidance system has enough cameras to make the NSA jealous. In total, 7 wide-angle cameras cover the heavy-duty pickup and work both with Ford's 360-degree parking system and its new trailer backing system. It's all in an effort to make the Super Duty easier to use. Ford is the first to offer such an extensive camera system from the factory on a heavy-duty truck. The automaker even has 2 pending U.S. patents on the technology. That isn't stopping the competition, however, as Chevrolet just announced its dealer-installed camera system that works in much the same way. Though Chevy's version isn't offered from the factory, owners of 2014 or newer trucks can have the cameras installed. The competition aside, Ford's trailer reverse guidance system works by using camera mounted under the rearview mirrors, on the tailgate, on the center high-mounted brake light, on the front grille, and a movable camera that attaches to the rear of the trailer. The driver can switch between the views, or have a compiled overview shot of the truck. During a reversing maneuver, the 2 side view cameras shift their view of the trailer as its angle changes, while the tailgate camera coaches the driver with guidance lines superimposed above the trailer tongue. Owners of crew cab Super Duties will appreciate the center high-mount brake light mounted camera when hooking up a fifth wheel or gooseneck trailer. The camera provides an unobstructed view of the bed. It's also handy for keeping tabs on cargo. The camera system also provides dynamic warnings if the trailer angle becomes too narrow, risking a jackknife situation. There's even a steering wheel icon that indicates which direction to turn the wheel for reversing in a straight line. Be sure to check out the video for a detailed look at Ford's trailer reverse guidance system in action. Continue reading for the full story. Why it matters. Backing a trailer isn't the easiest task a driver can do, so any help is generally appreciated. These extra eyes around the truck not only make things easier, but safer as well. There's less risk of damaging property or hurting bystanders. It also undoubtedly relieves stress when trying to back a trailer alone. It's nice to see automakers like Ford and Chevrolet address long-standing frustrations with towing trailers. I'd imagine Ram isn't too far behind on its own camera system and the government not too far behind that, making these systems mandatory. 2017 Ford Super Duty. Read our full review on the 2017 Ford Super Duty here.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.